and in this tutorial I will show you how to make this super simple light up Gelt garland. I think this turned out adorable, and this is one of those really easy, very straightforward, almost impossible to mess up 5-minute DIYs. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, make sure you check out my other Hanukkah and Christmas playlists that I will link in the description below. I will be uploading 8 different Hanukkah videos this year. If you want to see DIYs on a regular basis, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity. Check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
For this project, you'll need a string of LED battery-operated lights, plastic Hanukkah gelt, and a hot glue gun with hot glue. To get started, simply put 2 small dollops of hot glue onto the top of one of your pieces of gelt. I prefer to put a string connecting the 2 dots over my string of lights. Then, once they've had a few seconds to dry, sandwich that hot glue and the lights in between another piece of gelt. I like to put the sides with the stars facing out rather than the dreidels, and I make sure that that glue cools just a tiny bit in case it affects the lights at all. But if you give it a few seconds and then sandwich it in place, you shouldn't run into any problems. And it's just as simple as that. And that is your finished project. Since these are battery operated, you can stash them anywhere, just for a little peek of sparkly fun in your Hanukkah decor. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Hanukkah or Christmas videos like this one, I will be uploading 8 Hanukkah videos and 12 Christmas videos this season. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.